In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice typing in Google Slides. This is a fantastic tool that allows you to dictate your speaker notes instead of typing them out manually. Whether you're pressed for time or prefer speaking over typing, voice typing can greatly enhance your productivity and efficiency when preparing presentations. First, you'll need to head over to Google Slides. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Slides homepage. Once there, you must sign into your Google account if you aren't already logged in. Just use your existing credentials, and if you're new to using Google services, you can create an account right from that page. A Google account is essential as it allows you to save your projects securely to the cloud for easy access from any device. Once signed in, you will be directed to the Google Slides home. This is your hub for creating and accessing your presentations. Here, you can click on a blank presentation to start a fresh project, or if you prefer, choose from the available templates designed to suit various needs. Templates can save you some time and can also give your presentation a professionally designed look without much effort. After selecting a blank presentation or a template, you're ready to incorporate voice typing. Head over to the top menu and find the Tools option. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu. In this list, you'll see an option labeled Dictate Speaker Notes. Selecting this will activate the voice typing feature. Now, look for the Click to Speak button that appears at the bottom of the slide. When you click this button, Google will start listening to your voice inputs and transcribe what you say directly into the speaker notes of your slide. This is an incredibly user-friendly feature that employs Google's powerful speech recognition technology to ensure your words are accurately captured. Ensure you speak clearly and at a moderate pace to help the tool transcribe your speech as accurately as possible. If you're experiencing background noise or have multiple people talking, you might want to relocate to a quieter space for better accuracy. Also, remember that this feature is most effective if your microphone settings are properly configured. Verify and adjust your microphone settings on your device to ensure it's picking up your voice clearly. Once you're done dictating your notes, simply click the stop button to halt the transcription process. You can easily review and make any necessary edits to your notes. This is especially useful for correcting any misunderstandings that the tool might have had, ensuring your notes are polished and ready for your presentation. And there you have it, a seamless way to use voice typing in Google Slides. This tool can save time and bring a new level of convenience to your presentation preparations. Explore more of Google Slides to maximize your productivity and create compelling presentations effortlessly. Thanks for watching.